In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video to Canva. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe down below and like the video. So the first thing we're going to do is to open Canva. You're going to go ahead and open the project that you're working on, and then you're going to select Uploads. As you can see, this will automatically open up images. You're going to go ahead and select Videos instead. And here is where you can upload your files. So you're going to click on Upload Files, go ahead and find the video that you wish to upload, and then select Open. Once your video has been uploaded, you're going to find it under the Videos tab, and then you're going to select your video, and here you have your video. You can play around with the audio tools. You can also make your video bigger or smaller. You can center your video, and then you can start customizing your Canva template. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.